We are pleased to show you the 2020 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Come take a test drive today.